have reached the Chikhlihode Reservoir. Actually, the location showed there, but there were people gathered here, so we came here. Not really sure if. I think this is something else. I am not really sure, guys. There's no parking fee or anything. Just enter and then walk. Oh, crocodiles, ma. Danger. Masala.
Yeah, masala.
So this is the walk area that you have to walk. It is Kaveri Neeravari Nigama, and I think this is a viewpoint or something. It's closed right now, and you'll have to walk from there in order to see that reservoir, a dome kind of thing that actually, oh, it's here. Google ad showed the images were pretty, but there is no water. So that's the problem.
We'll pour water.
Yeah, you get a pump. How many tankers of water will you want?
See, from here we can.
Yeah. It's empty. Khali khali hai. So this is that reservoir here, which is really empty. I'm really scared. It's like too much of height, and when it rains, the water. Actually, so when I asked my dad as to from where the water will be coming, so he told me that the river that I showed you guys earlier, when it overflows, the water flows down from this reservoir, and that's how it flows downward. More like a waterfall, but now all nonsense is written on that. I wonder how did people reach over there and write all of that. Yeah. Too scary, bro. Very scary. But it's a good place. I mean, for viewpoint, it is good. I just read the reviews now. Like for sunset, it's a good place. Obviously, you might get a very good sunset. And there on the lawn, if you can see, it's also written Chikhlihode Reservoir. Also, if you can see this place, if you are courageous enough, you can get down. Like my two idiots have done. They are over there. They have to roll all over from here. Cyrus! Kaintan, pati atai. Nice. Come on! Run! Yes! They are all like you, yeah. Yeah.
1 hour later.
So now we have come to the Golden Temple, the Namdroling Monastery that is run by the Tibet Buddhist monks, and I don't know, it's drizzling, it is very sunny, it's drizzling, and we have come to the parking spot. So this is the first time that we are visiting, so I'm not really sure as to where it is. I can see like there are many different temples, so exact location once I reach, I will share it with you guys. So this gate is closed. I think there's one temple but different gates. I'm really not sure, guys. So I'm sorry if I'm not able to give you all the right information. But as per what the watchman told us is go to the other gate, because here there's a function going on right now, the Buddhist function. So he has asked us to go in order to visit the temple, the other gate. The Namdroling Monastery is one of the largest Tibetan Buddhist centers in the world outside Tibet. It was established in 1963 by His Holiness Pema Norbo Rinpoche, also known as Penor Rinpoche. The monastery is renowned for its stunning architecture, serene ambience, and vibrant cultural activities. This is the Zangdok Palri Temple and is a replica of the Zangdok Palri Temple in Tibet, believed to be abode of Guru Rinpoche Padmasambhava. It features stunning murals depicting the life of Padmasambhava and various deities, offering visitors a glimpse into Tibetan Buddhist mythology. It is also home to an institute dedicated to the study and practice of Tibetan Buddhism. Monks and nuns receive comprehensive training in Buddhist philosophy, meditation, and rituals. So we visited few kale.
Golden Temple,
So what I thought was a golden temple was actually not the golden temple. The first two. Then what was that? I think one was the study this thing. No, that is Buddhist Vihara, Dada. This is actually I have no idea, guys, as to which is the temple and what. Like there are three structures. Not three, in fact. Yeah, there are many structures over here. I don't know which one is actually the temple. There are some like, you know, they are study room and all of that. But if possible, once home, if I try to get info, I will add. If not, I will be just adding the videos.
A few moments later.
So as per what I got to know, guys, the first two places that we visited was not actually the temple, which I thought was the temple. But this is the temple. I think that was a study room and all of the other things that they had. The temple is really beautiful. Beautiful architecture and all of that. The main attraction, adorned with intricate Tibetan artwork, is a golden temple or Padmasambhava Vihara. It houses three massive golden statues of Buddha, Padmasambhava and Amitayus. The temple is adorned with colorful frescoes and intricate designs, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere for meditation as well as prayer. So we are done visiting the temple. The structure is such a magnificent. It's so good. When you just enter, the vibe, it's so peace, it's calm. People just sit there, you know, for the calmness. And you're supposed to remove your footwear, that is in all the worship places. But here they do have a counter where, you know, you get a token. You have to pay a bit of amount and then keep it over there and then enter. And also there's a park on the other side which we are not going. So yeah. And also there's a bell over here. Maybe it has some importance. And this room has diyas where it is covered with glass. You can see a small monk arranging the diyas here. As there was some function going on the day that we had visited, luckily we got the chance to watch a few of their traditions as well as the dance. So this that you see over here is the Pole Guest House and Shopping Center. So it's right opposite to the monastery that's over there. And here you can see all the Tibetan clothing, bags and all of that is available here. And there's a park here. I'm in garden.
Much later.
So at a roadside, on the way where we had to go to our next stop, we stopped by a roadside shop that was showing buy one get one. Actually morning we visited but it was closed. But now they have some very good deals. Like she was like, for that 800 up 5 ne? For 800 you get 5 bottles, or for 1000 she is ready to give us 6 bottles. And we just tasted like hibiscus, mixed fruit and various flavors, and all of them were good. Not like it was diluted. The right kick, the right taste and everything was just perfect. So maybe we'll be carrying home few bottles and distributing among my uncle and aunts. And also the wine, the price of the wine, it depends on the years. If it is for like 5 years, then you get it like for 5 wine bottles for 800. And if it is like for 10 years, it's 1500. Now actually this thing wasn't in our itinerary at all, but then my brother saw this vintage car museum and they're like, they want to visit, so we have come. This is really interior, like a lot interior, plus you'll have to get into an estate kind of thing. So it's a very bumpy ride, and finally we reached. This is in Siddhapura, some city, or I don't know. The place is called as Siddhapura. You can smell coffee here. It's a good smell, fragrance over here. And ticket, I think, kitne lera ticket ek? 100 for adults, and for 0 to 5 year it is free, as well as
5 to 12, 50.
5 to 12 it is 50.
If they disappoint me, I'm going to kill them.
We'll see. So this is all your, this is a weighing machine, I think, and this one over here that you can see, these two machines are very close to my dad because he's a photographer. You can see this is cinema projector, and also a cinema projector that is dedicated by Azad or given by Azad Hind Group. So let me stand a bit back. Look at the old, very antique, very good. Which, oh yeah, this is the lens. I think there it's on the other side, and this is how the other machine looks. And what is this? I think it's a TV. Oh no, it's attached to that. The screen itself, it's attached to it, to this device. Very good. So this is also, I mean, antique items. You can see the alarm clocks. I'm sorry for the glare. There is, I don't know, the very call bell, and the hookah, and your harmonium, and I don't know, all the tape recorders. Oh, that thing, mama. Radio. That big one, your one thing. What is it called? The music one. Disco. A teleprom. I am not really sure. And then you can see the clocks inside. The reason why they have closed is because they had gramophone, because they had a small car that was taken by a kid. So after that they locked this place so that all of them, I mean, no damage is done.
Old radio.
Why the gramophone is very
Gramophone
nice.
next to that.
So that was the first place where we saw, I mean, few of the things. And now for the actual car thing, we'll have to again walk down. Yesterday again, it's all bumpy, rocky. You can never, if it's a 4x4 vehicle, I think it will come here easily, but the parking facility is done over there. Let's go. Out from the vintage car museum. Awesome collection, and the maintenance is also very well. For car enthusiasts, it's a place. It's not for me, but I was happy looking at the collection and the efforts that he has put in order to, you know, wow, in order to collect. So now we are leaving for Madikeri city, but on the way, Thai people want chai. So now again we climb this upstairs, take our car, and then go straight away to Madikeri. Maybe on the way stop at a chai tapri. And the sun here is harsh. I don't know why. We were told that, I mean, according to the weather report, I saw that it would rain heavily for 2 days. But it is so harsh that I've already got sunburn, you guys.
One long angry line later.
Guys, so it is finally happening. The roads are getting, yeah, but I don't know if you can see, it's completely clouded and there is full fog, like full fog. It's getting covered and it is so cold right now. I think only Madikeri or everywhere else. Ooh, wow. Full fog. The weather, I just, you know, I was just, guys, yes, I was just, you know, telling my mom we came to Madikeri and we didn't get those vibes, but now we are actually getting those vibes, guys. It is absolutely next level. It is so cold. It is really cold, like the fog for a second, full, everything went in black. So now we have come to the Fort and Museum. The museum is over here, it's under construction, so unfortunately we can't go. Even the fort is under construction. If you can see behind, the fog is literally moving. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So we are just going to chill here, and from here we have to go to the sunset point. I don't think there will be sunset, but even though this is very good. So here guys, even though there's a lot of work going on, everything is closed. The only advantage that we got is, I don't know if you can see the fog. It is so good right in front of us. Not feeling cold yet, but I guess in some time we will feel cold. It's literally moving and all of that is so good.
A few inches later.
We have come to the last spot of our trip as well as the day, that is Raja Street Park, a sunset point. Unfortunately, I don't think we will ever get to watch the sunset, but just enjoying the park. Whereas when we came to park over here, we saw this All India Radio Madikeri over here. So basically the parking is way too long because it's crowded and we have to walk, I think a lot. We have to walk a lot because we got the parking at the very end and there's a lot to walk. If you can see, it is something like down the hill, and then there will be the park. Zip line 350. Then kids play area per head 100. And what is that? Rocket sector 250. Low rope activity rupees 150. This is the garden. Look at the beautiful garden where people are just chilling. Guys, the ticket price is just rupees 20. And we are going towards the viewpoint.
You will be fine.
For what? No, the flowers. Oh, my mom's flowers. What? Oh, look at the pretty flowers.
Not the flowers, man.
Yeah, I know, bungee jump. So, apart from the viewpoint and the garden and chilling time, there are also activities like zip line and all of that. I mentioned the price earlier when I entered, so I was reading it aloud to show it to you guys. So you can see the dude over there.
Just do it.
Jumping, just do it, man.
That's not a dude.
Oh, that's a girl. So guys, my mom says that if you taste these flowers, it is really sour because she had it back at her home before.
Do not pluck flowers,
Yeah,
Mandala.
do not pluck flowers, and this is what my mom does. No, we'll taste.
Full count now.
I think you have to eat full, yeah. Bro, isn't it a thing that all flowers will be sour in taste? I mean, not sour, kadwa. So we are finally at the viewpoint. Even though there is no sunset, there are, wait bro, there are, so even though there is no sunset, there is an awesome view with the fog, which is very much wanted. Yeah, so beautiful. And look at these couples enjoying. This kid is enjoying it.
This kid without any sleeves.
So many flowers, mom. Flower lady, flower.
Hand is craving to pluck them.
Yeah. To simply pluck one of the stems and take it home and plant there and it will die over there. Look at the pretty flowers, especially these, the birds. Too many, and look at the fog. Again, back to fog. Mama, Agam, what's in front only is not visible. How will my father drive back?
Now drive karta.
No thanks.
Why? You're scared of my driving?
Dude,
You are scared.
there is the fountain show, like kinda like musical fountain as well, but it hasn't begun. Everyone's gathered over here. Probably it showed in Google around 6:30, but it is 7. We can't wait anymore because Ada has to drive back, so we are leaving from here for our dinner. For this weather, definitely you need a coffee, like coffee and chilling with this weather. It is so good. So we definitely need to grab a coffee now. But there's no time to chill. Grab a coffee, sip it, and enjoy this.
No coffee for you.
Why?
You literally drank
But surprising
more
thing is
coffee
the person who feels really cold at home is my mom. And today she's like, no, she's not feeling cold. So I was like, maybe the Mangalore body, we need to, remove the heat out from the body and take in the food. So it's taking time. Yes, guys.
3 hours later.
Cruiser! 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 Ali. Really don't think. Okay, don't around.
I'll be ending this vlog, so if you did like this vlog, then make sure you like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed yet. Show me the love, the same love that you guys keep giving me. Thank you for all that love and support, and continue to do so. So yes guys, bye bye.